again, okay, so in here again, this is all about solving equations by adding or subtracting. So our objective here is to solve one-step equations in one variable by using addition or subtraction. So when we say addition or subtraction, mani ang mga operations nato gamiton. We have addition and subtraction. And then we are also talking about equations. So that means the natay equal sign, that the left side should be equal to the right side. Na mga mga algebraic expression. Kung may tag one variable, kasabot na lang tayo isa ka variable. Say for example, if our variable is x, na lang kita isa ka variable na x. If our variable is y, na lang po tayo isa. Dili pwede natin 2xy squared. That's two variables na. So, karon ang ato focusan is an equation that has one variable. So let's build up our vocabulary about equation and solution of an equation. So unsa ning equation, unsa ning solution of an equation. So kung may tag equation, mathematical statement ni siya that two expressions are equal. Diba last meeting nato or sa previous nato ng mga topic naghisgot tag expression. Kung may tag expression, 2x is an expression, 3x is an expression, 4y is an expression. So, kung may tag equation na involvement sa equal sign. So, 2x equals 4. Again, 2x equals 4. That is an equation. Dapat the left side expression should always be equal to the right side expression. So, unsay ato value ni x? No, natay 2x equals 4. So, ato value ni x para ma-equal siya 4. Now, when we multiply 2 to x, that's equal to 4. So, ato i-multiply sa 2 na mo-equal siya of 4. Everyone, so ato i-multiply sa 2 na mo-equal siya of 4. That's 2. Okay, 2. Kaya 2 times 2 equals 4. So, meaning, si x nato is our variable. Substitutean nato si x ng 2 para when we multiply them 2 times 2, that becomes 4. Noon ang pasabot sa equation. Now, when we talk about solution of an equation, this is a value of the variable that makes the equation true. So, again, may tag solution of an equation kay mo ni ang mga value na ato gibutang sa usa ka variable para mahimo na tinuod ang ato equation. Say for example, sa ato example earlier. Example. Say for example, sa atong giingon kagay na 2x equals 4. So, since ang x nato kay substitute nato ng 2, that means that si 2 is the solution of an equation. Again, that means that si 2 is a solution of an equation na 2x equals 4. So, kung unsa tong mga numbers na kung i-substitute nato kay makes the equation equal, then mauna ang gitawag natong solution of an equation. Okay, for example natin, 4y equals 8. 4y equals 8. Unsa ato value ni y para mahimo when we multiply this to 4, mahimo siya 8. So that is 2. Diba? Kay 4 times 2 equals 8. So si 2, ang tawag niya solution of an equation. Because when we substitute 2 to y and we solve the equation, they are equal. The left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. And to find solution side, kinahanglan nato i-isolate the variable. So variable is isolated when it appears by itself on one side of an equation and not at all on the other side. Sige, nata dire. Isolate a variable by using inverse operations which undo operations on the variable. So, an equation is like a balance scale. To keep the balance, perform the same operation on both sides. So, nata inverse operations, addition, ang isang inverse operation kay subtraction. So, kung natay ang ato operation is subtraction, ang ato inverse operation is addition. So, for example, natay solving equations by using addition. Focus ata sa addition. Now, we solve the equation, and then after solving the equation, we need to check our answer para makabalo ta if this equation is correct. No, if our answer is correct, kinahanglan nato i-check. So, natay y minus 8 equals 24. This is our equation. Again, y minus 8 equals 24 is our equation. Now, how do we look for the value of y? No? Unsa may ato value ni y, Na kung ato i-substitute sa y, kay mo equal siya og 24 sa man. So, ato, unsay number nga kung minusan natong 8, mo equal siya og 24. No? The answer is 32. Okay, kung ato siya i-try, 32 minus 8, that becomes 24. Pero when we also solve the value for y, ato lang himuon na we have to sa ato himuon sa diri negative y unsay ato himuon para mawala sa negative 8 pala. Sorry, so all we have to do is to add 8 both sides. So natay kung nag-minus 8 ta diri sa tong inverse ng subtraction, that's addition. So ato siya addan og 8. Okay? So pag add nato negative 8 plus 8, that's 0. So ang nabili na lang nato is y, and 24 plus 8, that's 32. Now, kung ato si siya i-check, si y, alis na nato 32 minus 8, that is equal to 24. So this makes our statement or equation true. So 32 is now our solution for the equation. Example number 2. So solve the equation and check your answer. So we have 5 over 16 equals z minus 7 over 16. So unsay ato himuon diri? Ang ato kanon kay is to solve for the value of z. So since minus man ta diri, so ato plus sad si 7 over 16. You just copy 7 over 16. So we have minus 7 over 16, then we add 7 over 16 to make this mahimuling 0. So negative 7 over 16 plus 7 over 16, that is equal to 0, and nabili na lang nato si 7. Now 5 over 16 plus 7 over 16, kung kasi ato i-plus sa right side, mapoy ato i-plus sa left side na equation. So 5 over 16 plus 7 over 16, that is 3 over 4. Pwede sa jag 7 plus 5, that is 12 over 16, and then it can be reduced by 4. So 12 divided by 4, that's 3. 16 divided by 4, that's 4. So our z is equal to 3 over 4. Kung ato siya i-check, we just simply substitute z ng 3 over 4. So instead z diha, natay 3 over 4 minus 7 over 16. Dapat mo equal siya of 5 over 16. So giunsa ni nato siya, you find for LCD of 4 and 16. And then their LCD is 16 ra gihapon. And then the answer is 5 over 16, and they are equal ang gihapon. Okay, another example. We have here, solve the equation and then again, check your answer. We have n equals n minus 3.2. So decimal na ang atong ipang butang. So n minus 3.2 is equal to 5.6. So sa galito himuon, since minus, may mo siyang, ato siyang add og 3.2 on the left side, and we also add 3.2 on the right side. So negative 3.2 plus positive 3.2, that is 0. So ang nabilin sa left side is n. 5.6 plus 3.2, that is 8.8. So our n is 8.8 na dadyon. Na kung ato si siya i-check, substitute n by 8.8. So 8.8 minus 3.2, that is 5.6. And we actually got the correct answer. We actually get the correct answer, 5.6. Solve the equation and check your answer. So natay negative 6 equals k minus 6. So here, all we have to do is to add both sides by 6. Kay minus 6 man diri, so ang reverse or inverse ng minus is plus, and then you copy 6. So this becomes zeros, k na lang nabilin, and then negative 6 plus 6, that's also 0. So our k is equal to 0. Kung ato siya i-check, i-substitute k by 0, so natay 0 minus 6, and the answer is negative 6, which is also correct. Another example. Sige. Solve the equation and check your answer. We have m plus 17 equals 33. Okay, sa galing tong inverse the plus, that's minus or negative. And then you copy 17. So kung unsa imong gihimo sa left side, mapo imong himuon sa right side. So we have 17, positive 17 plus negative 17, that's 0. And then m, bring down m. 33 plus negative 17, that's positive 16. So our answer is 16. 16 is the solution of our equation because kung ato siya i-check, mo-equal siya of 33. So substitute m ng 16, and 16 plus 17, that is equal to 33. Nakaapas ra. Sige. Yes, ma'am, kakaroon. Sige. Another example. So, nana po tayo 4.2 equals t plus 1.8. Sa gali ato imon, o sa gali inverse ni plus, ang sa inverse ni addition, that's subtraction. So, plus dire, and then it becomes negative. And then you copy 1.8. So, kung sa itong gihimo sa right side, maputay mo sa left side. So, natay negative 1.8. So, positive 1.8 plus negative 1.8, that is equal to 0. So, you bring down t, and then 4.2 plus negative 1.8, that is 2.4. So, our t is equal to 2.4. No, pero before that, ato sa sadya i-check. So you substitute, you copy the equation, which is 4.2 equals t plus 1.8, and substitute t by 2.4, so that becomes 2.4 plus 1.8. The answer is 4.2, and naatay equal na answer. Next, again, solve the equation d plus 1/2 equals 1. So, since what is, again, the inverse of plus or positive is negative, so natay 1/2, sorry, 1/2 minus 1/2. Sakto ba? Yeah. So, after that, this becomes 0, and then we have here, equal ni siya ha, equal ni, basin masaya ka. So, we have 1 plus the negative of 1/2. So, 1 plus the negative of 1/2, the answer is 1/2. So, our D is equal to 1/2. And then, to check if our answer is correct, so natay, substitute D by 1/2, and then 1/2 plus 1/2, that is equal to 1. And that's correct. Okay, for the last example, solve the equation natay negative 5 equals k plus 5. And then, minusan na to siya 5, minusan po 5 sa pika. So, we have 5 plus negative 5, 0. And then, we only have k here. And then, negative 5 plus negative 5, that's negative 10. Kung ato siya i-check, negative 10 plus 5, that's equal to negative 5. And that's correct. Remember that subtracting is the same as adding the opposite. So, kung mag-solve tag equation, you will sometimes find it easier to add an opposite to both sides instead of subtracting. So, let's move on to sa subtraction na part. So, solving equations by adding the opposite. So, we have here negative 5 over 11 plus p equals negative 2 over 11. So, unsa galing inverse ng negative, that's positive. So, this becomes 0. We only have p equals negative 2 over 11 plus 5 over 11. Unsaan man siya? That's, di ba, different sign kay ato siya i-minus, and then you copy the sign of the bigger number. So, 5 minus 2, that's 3 over 11. So, since 5 over 11 is bigger than 2 over 11, and the sign of 5 over 11 is positive, so our answer is 3 over 11. Okay. So, next, negative 2.3 plus m equals 7. So, negative 2.3, again, since minus or negative ta diri, so ato siyang i-plus or positive. So, this becomes 0. M ang nabilin. 7 plus 2.3, that's 9.3. And that's the answer. Next, negative 3 over 4 plus z equals 5 over 4. So, since negative 3 over 4, unsa ito himuon? So, ito himuon sa kang negative 3 over 4 para ma-equal siya 0. Everybody. Kini ba? Negative 3 over 4. So, ito himuon ana para ma-equal siya 0. Diba? Ato siyang adan og 3 over 4. Sakto? So, since ato man siyang adan og 3 over 4, mahimo na ni silang 0. Kung sa ito gihimo diri, mapoy ato i-copy sa right-hand side sa equal side. So, natay z na lang ang nabilin, and then 5 over 2 plus 3 over 4, that's 8 over 4. And 8 over 4 is just equal to 2. Kung ato siya i-check, equal ra ang answer. Next, unsay atong himuon if we have the equation negative 11 plus x equals 33. Unsay atong i-add sa negative 11 para ma-equal siya 0? Okay, that's positive 11. So, negative 11 plus 11 is equal to 0. And then, kung sa imo gihimo diri, mapahimuhimuon diri sa right side. So, naana lang by x na bilin. And then, 33 plus 11, that's 44. Okay, before ta mag-end sa ato discussion, let me just, again, identify the properties of equality. So first natin gitawag na words. Again, words. So addition property of equality, kay you can add the same number to both sides of an equation and that statement will still be true. Kung sa imo himuon sa left hand side ng equation, mapa imo himuon sa right hand side ng equal sign. Sa numbers kay for example, kini 3 equals 3. So, kung adan nimo siya 2 diri, dapat adan po nimo 2 sa pikas. Kay na maka-equal sign. Kung may equal sign, dapat pariha ang imo gihimo both sides. May equal lagi po siya 5. Kung may algebra, A equals B. So, kung mag-add tag C sa left-hand side, same po na mag-add tag C sa right-hand side. And still, this will make the equation true. Nga na lang. And then another thing na kung mag-subtract ta ng numbers from left side, dapat mag-subtract po ta ng the same numbers sa right side. And when we subtract variables on the left side, mapoy ato subtract the same variables on the right side. And that's the end of our